And another trick of the trade, this is the BMW 2009 X5 3.0 motor. Little trick of the trade, if you see this air, piece of junk. If you see this air intake piece here, this connects to the throttle body. If you do not have the air filter in and this long extension, not a problem. The motor will run. If you take this piece off that connects to the throttle body, your motor will not run. I guess the reason why you'd run this without the air filter would be because you're just being lazy. But just know that don't be lazy. Just put this filter on in this. But you can run the car with just this intake part here that connects to the throttle body that is on there. Just your little tidbit. Have a good day.